Hello, artists. I'm so glad you're joining me here on Seesaw. I wish I was in person with you in the art studio, but this is the next best thing for us this week. So, today, what I want you to do, whether you are at home or in your classroom, we are going to continue our study of portraits and self portraits. So, what's the difference between a portrait and a self portrait? You know the answer to this. A portrait is a picture of a person, and so a self portrait is a picture or a drawing or artwork of you, done by you. So you are going to be creating either a self portrait or a portrait. You get to decide that based on what you have available to you. So, those of you in the classroom, you are going to be drawing a neighbor because I'm assuming you don't have a mirror or photo handy. So, because you don't have those two things available, we need to be drawing today from sight, from looking at the figure. So, your subject matter will be your neighbor. And your neighbor will likely be in profile view, meaning you will only see half of their face because they're sitting next to you and they can't stop and turn to you because they're working as well. So, if you're in class, you're going to be drawing a profile view of your neighbor. You're going to be looking for lines, contour lines, outlines, cross contour lines that tell us information about the interior of the face as well. And if you are at home, you have the option of drawing a family member nearby, or you probably have some other resources handy because you're at home. So you may have a good photo of yourself or a family member that you could use as a reference, or you may have a handheld mirror that you could bring to the table to work from. But regardless of which you choose, you're going to do the same thing and be drawing using a pencil on any paper that you have available. You're going to be drawing a contour line drawing of a face. So a portrait, a self-portrait, either one will work, and snap a picture of it and post it to your journal in Seesaw. I can't wait to see what you create. See you soon, artists. All right, guys, now we are going to begin a quick demonstration of a portrait or self-portrait. So again, if you are inside the classroom, you can look at your neighbor who will be probably working hard, looking down at their paper, and so they will be in a profile view. Of course, everyone is wearing masks, so your portrait can include the mask that they are wearing. If you're at home, however, you have the luxury of going around your house to find a good photo as a reference material, or even a mirror for you to look into so you can do a self-portrait. So depending on whether you are at home or in person, that will kind of dictate whether you're doing a self-portrait today or a portrait of someone else. Now, if your parent or guardian or teacher would prefer that you use the drawing tools in Seesaw, you can certainly do that too. It's a little easier, personally, to use real drawing materials like a pencil or colored pencil. But this could easily be done using the drawing tools that you have available in Seesaw. So again, this is not a blind contour or contour drawing where you can't lift your pencil. We are lifting our pencil, but we are really looking at our reference, our subject matter, our figure, to help us determine where lines and shapes should go. Okay, so we are looking for value. If you see areas that are darker, you can shade those in with your pencil. Remember, we're drawing what we see, not what we know.